The debate between vaping and smoking has been a topic of intense discussion in recent years. As vaping, or the use of e-cigarettes, becomes increasingly popular, especially among younger demographics, questions about its safety in comparison to traditional smoking are more relevant than ever. Vaping involves inhaling a vapor created by an electronic cigarette, e-cigarette, or other vaping devices. E-cigarettes are battery-powered smoking devices. They have cartridges filled with a liquid that usually contains nicotine, flavorings, and chemicals. The liquid is heated into a vapor, which the person inhales. This is why using e-cigarettes is often called vaping. Smoking refers to the practice of burning tobacco and inhaling the smoke that is produced. The smoke from combustible tobacco products contains more than 7,000 chemicals. At least 250 are known to be harmful, including hydrogen cyanide, carbon monoxide, and ammonia. Chemicals and toxins. Traditional cigarettes contain a plethora of harmful chemicals including tar, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde. Vaping is often perceived as a safer alternative because it contains fewer toxic substances. However, e-cigarettes still contain nicotine, which is a highly addictive substance and can affect brain development in teens. Plus, the long-term health effects of vaping are still unknown. Respiratory and cardiovascular health. Smoking is well known for its detrimental effects on the respiratory system and is a major cause of lung cancer. Vaping, while avoiding some of the respiratory dangers of smoking, still poses risks to lung health. The cardiovascular impacts of vaping are also a concern, with some studies suggesting similar risks to smoking. Addiction. Nicotine in both cigarettes and e-cigarettes is addictive. Vaping can serve as a gateway to traditional smoking, especially for younger users. Secondhand smoke versus vapor. Secondhand smoke from cigarettes is known to be harmful to bystanders. While the secondhand vapor from e-cigarettes is perceived to be less harmful, there is still a risk, particularly because the long-term effects are unknown. The regulation of vaping varies significantly from that of traditional cigarettes. In many regions, vaping is subject to less stringent regulations, which may contribute to its growing popularity. Public perception of vaping as a safer alternative to smoking also plays a significant role in its widespread use. In conclusion, while vaping might be less harmful in certain aspects compared to traditional smoking, it is not without its risks. The lack of long-term data on vaping means that we cannot yet fully understand its health impacts. Both vaping and smoking have significant health risks, and the best option for health is to avoid both.